Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take a look at the price action of Enjin Coin, as Enjin Coin went on a very nice run not too long ago. Since then, Enjin Coin has experienced a pretty significant pullback. So the question is the run over, or can Enjin Coin find its footing and push to new highs? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Alright, Enjin Coin here up on the daily chart. And toggling into the price action, I see that Enjin Coin has initiated a fairly significant pullback. I do not view this as bearish or unusual, as Enjin Coin moved up very quickly not too long ago. If I take the price range tool here and draw it even from the white 200 simple moving average to the top side of this wick here, I see that that's about a 200% move in just under 2 weeks. It really isn't unreasonable to think that anybody accumulating Enjin Coin down below here would want to experience some of those profits along the way. It's important to note that markets don't just move up in a straight line. There's going to be profit taking and consolidations as things trend to the upside. The question is this a buy the dip opportunity for Enjin Coin? Well, Enjin Coin has given some very important areas to be paying attention to. This liquid zone right here at the top side has a bottom coming in around 47 cents and a top side coming in around 49 cents. Since pulling back from this area here, Enjin Coin seems to be trying to find support along this horizontal here coming in at 36 cents. Down below, I see all the major moving averages getting above that 200 simple, leaving it with a positive slope to the upside. I do view this as constructive and bullish posturing of the moving averages. The volume read down below too is quite significant and quite real, as it engulfs several months of volume read that comes before it. Toggling down to the RSI, I see that the RSI here got certainly overextended, which again is not unusual after a move like this, and has given some bearish divergence from this point here to this point as well. Now, it is fair to say that a lot of that move is likely played out. Perhaps this move does extend down a little bit further. So let's take a look at some of the conditions that would need to be met. If Enjin Coin closes any daily candle bodies below this horizontal here, coming in at the 36 mark, then I think that it will likely come down and test this horizontal here, coming in at 32 cents. I see that the 21 exponential moving average is working its way up to that horizontal, and likely there will be a bounce there, and perhaps that could be a zone to buy. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but that could be an area of interest. Anything closing and opening daily candle bodies above the 21 exponential moving average, I will always have a bullish bias on. If Enjin Coin gets back up above the 10 simple moving average here, which is coming in around the 39 cent mark, and closes any daily candle bodies, then likely that's going to initiate a test of this horizontal here coming in at 43 cents. If Enjin Coin gets any daily candle bodies above 43 cents on convincing volume, then likely it's going to test this liquid zone once more. If Enjin Coin gets any daily candle body closures above 49 cents, followed by daily candle body opens on strong convincing volume, then that's when I think Enjin Coin is going to be ready for its next major meteoric rise to the upside. Toggling down to the stochastics, I see the stochastics are across to the downside, and that is signaling some more sell pressure and consolidation is likely on the horizon. Down below in the MACD moving averages are converging upon one another. That's also noted by the loss of momentum on the histogram down below here, as it begins to print smaller and lighter color bars of positive momentum. Now, overall, when I look at this, I think that the most likely scenario for Enjin Coin is going to be likely some sideways consolidation. Maybe it plays out between these two ranges here. So this horizontal at 36 cents, as well as this one here at 43 cents. I mean, this was a very nice move. I can see that the moving averages are fanning away from each other, which is great. But you can see that they do like to coil in upon one another before you get these massive moves to the upside. Being that Enjin Coin extended itself in such short order, the most likely scenario here is going to be sideways action. But of course, I've set my conditions in place for if there's going to be any moves to the downside or the upside, which is those daily candle body closures. Another very important thing to be paying attention to right now is obviously Bitcoin, as Bitcoin has been looking fairly droopy lately, but is still finding support along the 55 exponential moving average. If Bitcoin can remain sideways here, or better yet, pick itself back up, then I think that's going to give the alt sector a lot of room to breathe. If Bitcoin does break down from here, and say we get a daily candle body closure below the 55 exponential moving average, that's likely going to initiate tests down to at least the 89, which is coming in around $25,800. Getting below that, a likely test of this liquid zone here, which is coming in around 24,355. If Bitcoin does that, historically speaking, it drags the alt sector down with it. I don't think Enjin Coin would be any exception to that. But as for right now, I'm just going to be patient with Enjin Coin, as it looks like it's going to be some sideways consolidation. I'll pull the chart back up here. And as you can see, it can go sideways for quite some time, and especially after major moves like this. However, with the change of behavior of the moving averages here, perhaps Enjin Coin does continue to trend sooner than later. But being that this is a daily chart, these things take time to play out. I'm not looking for any moves to be happening, quickly to the upside per se. I mean, daily charts can take weeks to play out. Any actionable signals, and of course, with Bitcoin being postured the way it is, it could thwart this at any given point if it chooses to do that. But all in all, this is still looking good to me. As coins move up very quickly like this, the ranges of consolidation get more and more volatile and savage. If savage, it's certainly not for the squeamish, and this will get even crazier if Enjin Coin continues to the upside. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Hope you guys are all doing well out there, and have yourselves a powerful day.